its own data set number two or data set of hospital. We put the name. That's all right. So that's what this VNA network collaboration is referring to. That's this basically the step number two, which falls into the descriptive part of the deep learning analytics, right? The stage number three, which we think it's gonna. Oh, and by the way, this VNA is gonna also bring obsolete data back to life, meaning all that data from like the 80s, the 90s that hospitals are just lying there and they're not being used. We're gonna be able to use it to train it to increase the resolution, I guess, for lack of a better word, and be able to so it's gonna increase resolution and cross-reference such new data for more better predictability, basically better analysis and predictability.
Yeah, better and newer insights.
Newer insights. Got it. So stage number three, we also knew that we needed a deep learning environment, right? And what we have called this is an applied clinical insights solution. That's where the magic happens. That's where everything that we're working so hard is gonna take place, and that's where we're gonna shine. That's our proprietary brand in there, right? So what is this applied clinical insights gonna have? Well, it's gonna have machine learning and big data models slash algorithms. It's gonna have a deep and convolutional cycle GAN, which, as you can see here in step number three, right? Once we have recompiled the DNAs, organized the data, and everything else, it all comes to A and B, and this is where I'm having issues understanding. Please help out. But from what I understand, right, data A is the higher quality, data B is going to be the lower quality, and they're all going to be training and reading of each other, and they're going to go through this cycle GAN to convert it into a B sort of better quality data and an A quality data, that they're both basically going to be optimized with better predictability, more efficiency, right? And that's going to lead to a more efficacy medical imaging diagnosis. That's what we are trying to do. So it's going to have a deep combinational cycle GAN, like the one I just explained or tried to. It's going to have a super resolution denosing and debugging. That's going to be also proprietary to us. And that's going to allow us to see a better, to train this data for better diagnosis, better predictions. The high quality data versus low quality data model that I just explained, it's basically going to just interlap into each other and make it more efficiency. And the final goal is to increase efficiency and accuracy of diagnosis. Once we do that, we know this is going to happen, efficacy in the medical industry. That's it. That's basically the solution that we have. Once again, think of everything that I just described as this holy trinity circle. Everything is interconnected. And finally, the vision for our company is basically to help healthcare providers and institutions to make the best decisions out there to be able to save life, save money, help people, and live a better life. So, guys, please, guys and girls, go at it, roast me, grill me, think of things to add to this, maybe subtract to this, but this is basically the pitch. It's only 3 minutes. I know this is like 10 minutes, but we'll promise we'll get there. Thank you. Man, I'm so tired.